Wait a minute. Look at that. That's the size of her head. Look at that. All right, here we go.
Let's take your hat off and see if it. No, your head is bigger than that.
All right, guys, and it is installed. Sorry it's dark out. All right, literally it took us an hour. What time is it? What time is it? It took us literally 45 minutes to get it in. It's just we came out at the wrong time of day.
Yeah.
It literally took 45 minutes, which honestly, with as long as it took me to get the sound tube out and panicking about that, that's actually good. We could have did it in 30. All right. Honestly, I probably could have did it in 15. I don't know.
Are you throwing shade at me?
No shade. I'm just
You're throwing shade at me. I don't appreciate it.
Anybody got a 5.0 wanting to install a JLT, call your boy. All right. Call your boy. We'll get it done.
Call your girl. I'll get it done.
All right, so now we're about to drop the tune on here, and we're going to try to give you guys the first startup here live on the video. Let's go. All right, guys, if you were in the last video, we left off to where we're about to tune the car. We're about to drop the tune on the car now and give you guys the first startup right here, right now. Let me close this a little bit. Let's see. Program vehicle. All right. Confirm. I might need my phone, unfortunately, because I might have to check for a bit. Okay. So we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. The vehicle is being tuned right now as we speak. We should be going live in about, what, 5 minutes, y'all think?
Yep.
5 minutes, and it should be beaten.
Yep.
We're going to see what T'Challa sound like, what he move like. We probably won't do a run today in the car. Well, not no wide open throttle pulls. I got to do some data logging after I do this so they can fix anything that's like off, fuel trims, all that good stuff. We're at 70%. This thing is moving. All right, you take that for me?
Yep.
Because what's about to happen is I'm gonna have to turn the car on and off. This tune went, oh no, now it's writing the tune. I was gonna say this is the quickest tune I've ever seen I put on here, but no, it's gonna take a while. We'll get back with y'all at like 98%. All right. I know I'm black. All right, guys, we're at 96% right now. 7,899, and the tune is installed on the car. Now it's resetting the processor. We're gonna freaking, you know, press a button or two, and then boom, we're going for the first startup. All right. Let's hope it starts, because I had my lights on and didn't realize it. Thank God I got the radio turned down. I got a jump box in the trunk, or in the back seat. Clearing all the codes, making sure there's no codes active. Even though if we didn't do this right, it still might throw a code. Turn off the key, off position. Turn on the key, on position. And there we go. We're about to get the okay. In a couple seconds. A couple more seconds. Clearing the rest of the codes. Apparently we got check engine light, and there it is. We lit. Programming done. We're about to step out. Well, lady's about to step out with the camera.
Yep.
She's gonna record. I'm gonna step out right after I start the car. And we're about to hear how this sounds. It's not crazy because it's not a cold start, because we drove the car like an hour and a half today. But I'm gonna give y'all another cold start.
In the morning.
In the morning, yes.
Yeah, first thing in the morning.
On Instagram. So if y'all haven't already, make sure you follow Instagram at VAPEnBASS. All right, and you'll see that in the morning when I start the car on a cold start. I mean, let me check, make sure there's no check engine light, which I don't think there was. You can smell the corn from a mile away.
Oh, that smells awful.
It smells awful.
Yeah, don't
It smells
smell.
so sweet. What you mean?
No, that doesn't smell good,
That's
babe.
great.
Well, that lets you know that your girl did a great job.
Yes, it works. We're not dead, and this is what we're
Yay,
about to
me.
drop to the store. So we might do some pulls, not for y'all to see, and I'll see you guys later. I appreciate all y'all coming out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells. We'll be back in another video. The next video will be the first impressions of E85 and a JLT cold air intake.